Good morning, students. Let us study about even and odd numbers. So, even numbers, a number that has 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 in its ones place is an even number. Okay, at ones place, if we are having 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, that means that number is even number. Now, odd numbers, a number that has 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 in its ones place is an odd number. Okay, here are some examples. Look at, means suppose we are having one number, this 84. Okay, if we are having 84 at ones place, what is there? 4. Okay, 4 means 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 means even number. At ones place we are having 4 means 84 will be even number. Okay, and one more, 148. Now 8 is also here in even number. 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 in ones place. In ones place we are having 8 means this is also even number. If we are having 2044, then again at ones place what we are having? 4, and 4 is even number. Okay, suppose you are having 3172. Now 2 is also here in even numbers, means this 3172 is even number because at ones place we are having 2. Okay, you are looking here 4, 8, 4, 2. Okay, now look here a table of 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8, 2 fives are 10. In place of ones place, when we are writing 10, then at ones place 0. I have taken 0. Means this is a table of 2. So whenever we are having digits at ones place like this 2, 4, 6, 8, 0, that number will be even number. Okay. Now odd number. We will discuss about odd number. Look here. We are having 137. Now look at 7. 7 is not here, na? 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Now 7 is, where is 7? 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. At ones place we are having 7. Means this is odd number. Okay. Now if you are having 559. So at ones place what is there? 9. Means this is again odd number. Okay. If you are having 113. Now at ones place what we are having? 3. This is again odd number. Okay. Followed it. Okay. Now I will take mixture of even and odd numbers now. Okay, look straight. If I have taken 27, 148, 326, 1108. Okay. Now suppose about the table. Now we will look at only ones place. Here is 7, this is 8, this is 6, this is 8. Okay. So remember that 2 tables. If we are having at ones place 2 ones 2, 4, 6, 8 and 0, that number will be even. So 2 fours are 8, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8. So all these 3 number will be even numbers. Okay, and 7 is not in 2 table. So this will be odd number. Have you got it? Now some more examples. Try to understand. If you are having 3597, 1708, 2740, 2405. Again now look at ones place. This 8 is in 2 table, 0 is also in 2 table, means these two are even numbers. Okay, 1708, this is even number. 2740, this is also even number. And this, these are odd numbers. Okay, these are odd numbers. Have you got it? Means those digits which are coming in two table, 2, 4, 6, 8, 0. Means in place of 10 we are taking 0. Okay, under ones place we are having 0. So these are even numbers which are having multiple table of 2. Okay, and others are odd numbers. So look here is one question. You are having question that you have to check whether this digit is even or odd. Directly if you will see here, you can see 6 is there, means this 6 is in the multiple table of 2, means this is even number. But when I am saying you that you have to check by dividing the number by 2. Check whether this is even or odd by dividing 2. By dividing 2. Okay, so we will divide 56 with 2. 2 2s are 4, this, and 2 8 are 16. Whenever you are having remainder nothing, 0, means that is divisible by 2, and that is even number. 28 is divisible, 56 is divisible by 2, and then we are getting 28. Means this thing implies 56 is even number. Okay, have you got it? Got it? Okay, so one more question. By dividing by 2, you have to check 345 is even number or odd number. Okay, you are having this question 345. Directly if you will see, then you can say that this is not even number, because at one's place we are having 5 and this 5 is not coming in 2 table. Okay, then but what is the question? You have checked by dividing with 2 whether this is even or odd. So what we will do, 345 divide with 2. 2 ones are 2, and here 1, here will be 14. 2 sevens are 14. Okay, now 5, 2 twos are 4. We are having remainder 1, means when we are having remainder 0, that number is even number. If we are having remainder greater than 0, that is not even number, that is odd number. Means this 342 is not dividing. When we divide 345 with 2, then we are not getting remainder 0. This thing implies that this is odd number. Okay, whenever we are getting remainder 0, that number is even number. Whenever we are getting any remainder, that is odd number. Okay, otherwise directly you can say now that those numbers which are in table, multiple table of 2 at one's place, they are even number and others are odd numbers. Have you got it? Okay, thank you.